Search and destroy. Defend the objective. UAV recon, ready for deployment.
Hey guys, Mike here. What's up, everybody? This is FluffeyHD. This is tutorial number 4, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get best quality. Now, it really makes me angry. I see a ton of editors, and they have really good edits, but they don't have good quality, and there's a problem with this, and it's really easy to fix. So, first thing you want to do is go to Bestful and import your clip. I'm just going to use this 3-piece clip I've been using commonly because I have permissions to use it with my Mr. Farmer, who's awesome. But here's a prime example I just clicked on. If you notice, this is blurred, this is clear, and let me just get an example with the gun out where he's zooming in. Alright, you can see in between frames here this blur. I don't know, here, let me just show you. See this ghosting? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really bad, and it ruins the clip, and I see it so much on such good edits, and it bugs me. All you have to do to fix that, guys, is right-click, Properties, and you've always wondered what this does, Disable Resample, click OK. Boom, clear clips, none of that blur in between frames, none of that resample, so you're going to get a clear clip. So that would be step 1 to getting good quality. Second step would be having your project setting rights. Now here's my project settings, and these are the best you can get. So with 1280 by 1280, so 1280, height 720, frame rate, you do want 59.94 for editing, even though you're going to render it in 29.97. Field order, none. Progressive, pixel aspect ratio 1.0, output rotation 0. Stereoscopic 3D mode, you won't have this option unless you're in Sony Vegas 10, and that would be off. Pixel format depends on your color corrections. I use 32 and 8-bit both, depending. This is important. Full resolution rendering quality, best for sure. Motion blur type, you can pick Gaussian or Pyramid. I like Gaussian. Deinterlace method, if you want, you can choose one. It doesn't matter, I figured out. But, yeah, I'd choose none. And then audio, this is also important. No one ever does this, is go to Resample and Stretch Quality Best. So that's the project settings. You can just save those with this little icon right here. And then start new all projects, or start all new projects with the settings, press apply and press OK. So now you've got a good clip. It's clean. And to cut a clip, here's a tip. Just click S wherever you want to cut it. A lot of people don't know that, and it increases your workflow. So click S. I'm going to delete that clip. And there, it starts out where I want. You can fade in by dragging in the corner. These are just some basic tips for you guys. And fade in this corner. And then audio same thing. Just drag the corner. And there. So you got a nice clip. It's looking clean, but there's something missing, and that's a color correction. So all you want to do is click the Event Effects button right there and create a color correction. This will be included in the pack, guys. This is just a basic color correction. And then the last thing you want to do is make sure your render settings are the best. So go to Render As, and these match the After Effects settings perfectly, so it's perfect compatibility, and they're the best settings you can get. So you want to make sure your main concept MP4, or if you, yeah, and, hold on, let me check something real fast. Yeah, main concept MP4, and then my settings. So I'm going to go custom here, and I'm going to show you. I named the best settings. You can put some notes in if you want. Custom frame size of 1280 by 720. Do not check this. Profile, you want main or baseline. It really doesn't matter. I don't find any difference in it, but they're both good. I'm just going to use baseline, I guess. It doesn't matter. I mean, baseline is said to be a little bit better. Then your frame rate, you want 29.97. 4 zeros. You need the 4 zeros, and do not check this. Field order, if you have main, just make it none. If you have baseline, it doesn't matter. Aspect ratio 1.0. Number of reference frames 2. Use deblocking filter checked. Variable bit rate of 14 million and 14 million. Then for audio, 44,100. Bit rate 128,000. You can, and then this is important, project you need best, and stereoscopic 3D mode, use project settings. Then you're good to go. Just save that, type in whatever you want and save it, and then render it out. So guys, so you saw the clip before, and I'll play it again. Alright, bye guys.